Lung resistance by Eli Hammond. Main function. The lung's main function is to help oxygen from the air we breathe enter red cells in our bloodstream. The red blood cells then carry oxygen around the body, then to be used in the cells found in our body. This is the process that essentially keeps us alive. Interesting facts. The left lung is slightly smaller than the right lung because it must allow enough space for the heart. On average, a person breathes around 1,000 liters of air every day. The air we breathe contains 21% oxygen, but our bodies only use 5%, and the rest is exhaled. Inside each lung is a network of thousands of tunnels called bronchial tree, which branch into bronchioles containing 6 million tiny air sacs. Superhuman ability. The lungs are able to subconsciously keep you breathing over 900 times in an hour. These tiny air sacs, resupplying you with constant life, are taking in oxygen sent through the airways, and it also sends out carbon dioxide when we exhale, and the cycle repeats over and over. Evolution. Since fish have been around this earth longer than tetrapods, which we've learned through findings of fossils, gills have been present in even the earliest of fish. However, lungs are also evolved very early on. Though some ideas and questions may be unanswered, the evolution of how fish got gills, relating to how early mammals had lungs, the evolution tree gets pretty big. I also have a couple graphs over here on the right side of the screen. The future of the lungs. I believe that the lungs will continue to evolve, especially with more active swimmers and aquatic athletes. We may have a sudden increase in population's lung capacity. This can lead to more and more genes having this trait, which could lead to a population and even a species undergo evolution over a long enough period of time. Cell division and growth. Every time a mature cell divides into two new cells, its DNA is exactly duplicated. Then the two new cells are copies of the original. With new mutation, the lung tissue cells become more affected and changed and may not be effective in carrying out its function as a lung cell. This would most likely cause the cell to die. And here are my sources.